Hi guys, today's video natin is andito tayo sa aking workplace sa Tesis Grills and Roasters in front of SM Tarlac ito guys. So ito guys no, gumawa ako ng creamy bread pudding. So ito yung aking first attempt. So ito yung aking unang gawa guys no. So medyo manipis lang siya. Then magta-try tayo ulit ng gumawa ng medyo mas makapal ng konti para mas maganda siyang tignan. So ito yung ating first attempt. Yan guys. So guys, yung ingredients na ginamit natin dito, syempre guys no, unang-una yung bread, then condensed, evap, vanilla flavor, at nag-add din tayo ng egg guys. And then guys, ito na gumawa tayo ulit. Ito yung ating second attempt. So kinapalan ko na siya, mas makapal siya ng konti kaysa dun sa nauna. So nakita nyo naman guys, napaka creamy. Ang ganda niya. Then yung kapal niya, mas maganda na siyang tignan. So yan guys, so almost perfect na yung niya, yung kanyang appearance. Mukha na siyang creamy and yummy. Yan guys. So guys, itong ginawa natin na creamy bread pudding guys is dessert ito para sa aming eat all you can. Tesis Grills, eat all you can everyday buffet guys. So yan, dessert yan para dyan sa aming eat all you can. So guys, sa lahat ng nagpo-food crave dyan guys no, come and visit us here at Tesis Grills and Roasters. Eat all you can everyday buffet in front of SM Tarlac City. Thank you and God bless.